looking sharp on your birthday. You have all the neat stuff. Everything you do. Birthday blessings to you on a special day.
I got this.
Oh, yeah. Look, it's got Dale, Jess, Gracie, and Rachel. Make a wish.
Rachel.
I wish it's for a dog.
I know you're what's in here. Ooh, look at this. Discovery. That's going to be fun.
I'll show you what the book is.
Ooh, where is it? Oh. Oh, look at that. Yeah, look at that.
Where's you going?
You're going upside down.
Grace, I picked it out. Right, Grace?
I love it. I think Coral loves it too.
That's great.
Yeah. That's a winner.
Oh, I like it.
Cool.
Yeah. Lots and lots of fun noises.
Root dirt.
Well, I thought about getting that barn thing that we have, and Grace saw that. Like, oh, this one.
Yeah, she's really liking it.
And
She loves pushing buttons.
buttons, yeah.
Oh.
Good kid.
Oh. This is you.
Rachel. Rachel.
Let's see what else we got.
Rachel.
Rachel.
Let's see what else we got. To Coral from Gracie and Rachel. Ooh, let's see what's in here.
Can I help you?
Yeah, sure. Look there. Oh.
Hannah?
What we got?
Hannah.
Let's see what it is. Ooh, look at that.
Move
Oh,
out.
track.
Can you move out of the way?
Sorry.
Should we open it?
Gracie, wait.
We're gonna have a lot of toys to play with, so let's hold off on opening everything right now.
You don't want to make a mess. Loose pieces.
All right. Cool, pull on this. Cool. Take this.
Can I help you?
Yeah, let's see if Coral will do some of it.
Let's see if
There she goes.
Yeah, we didn't get a card, but
There you go. All right. Say please. Oh, a tea set. Look at that. Oh, it's got cups.
Nothing we can do.
Yay. Look, it's got little cupcakes and brownies. Thank you. Goes with the birthday theme.
Ayla has one and she loves it because when you pour it, it sounds like it's pouring tea.
Oh, cool.
And she plays with it all the time. I was like, that'd be really great since it's like the tea party kind of thing. I was like, but I'm sure somebody else already got it, so I have to give them a gift receipt.
Look, it opens the top up.
Yeah, look at that. There's something in it. It's got a tea bag. Look, there's a tea bag in there. Isn't that
Yeah,
fun?
but they love it.
Yeah, that's a good one.
She's
See what else we got.
We keep pack of them.
I think this one might be from Root. Let's see.
We just cycle
Cool.
through them occasionally. Let her pick one out and put one up.
Ooh, look at those pretty tulips. Happy first birthday, Coral. From Root. Okay. I'll get this one for you. Ooh, oh wow. Very pretty.
I was going to say, I saw it and I had to have it.
Yeah, it'll be a while, but it'll be good when she can wear it. Thank you. All right, let's see. We also got something from the Nonnies. Let's see what they got.
Wow, they got something together quick.
I know. Ooh, it's a little cat. No. No, she's busy. from mystery person, but probably your parents.
No, my mom said there was something else.
I don't think you can help with this one. This is kind of hard. Here we go. Let's see. From Lulu and Go.
Oh. She said she sent it FedEx or UPS, and then this one was FedEx, so I thought it might not go.
Oh, she probably wasn't really paying attention.
Everybody's just converged around this thing. Yeah.
Rachel, give it back.
Ooh.
That's pretty. Cute.
Wow.
Oh.
Rachel.
That's fun.
Yeah.
And some matching blue shorts. All
Yeah.
right. Cool. Happy birthday, Coral.
Yeah.
Thank you, everyone. All right, let the adventure games continue. Or do you guys want to try the dance one?